Here is how to play Fortnite on your computer. So this also works with mobile devices as well. Just repeat the process in your browser on your mobile device. So first off, we're not going to be downloading anything. We're not going to have to download Epic Games and launch the game from there. We're just going to use a streaming service called Xbox Cloud Gaming. So go ahead and search up Xbox Cloud Gaming. And then click on the first link. You can see it says play Fortnite. And so basically what this is this is a streaming service that streams the game so you don't have to download anything. So the downside to this is that the quality is a little bit lower because it's being streamed, not directly played. So if you have Game Pass Ultimate, it doesn't matter, it's free to play. So you can search up Fortnite, and you can see it right here. And now it's not going to say play, it's going to say like sign in or sign up. So what you want to do is sign in with your account or create a new one or sign up again. And then you can choose one of these options. There's like Battle Royale, OG Season 2, depending on what season you're on. And then you press play, and then now it's just going to say play for free, and then it says 60 minutes of free playtime per session. And then once it's done loading, you will be in the game. It's going to take a while to load. Now this is launching, and just like that, it's loaded. And then now Fortnite is loading. As you can tell, the quality is a little bit lower because it's being streamed, but that's a simple way to play Fortnite. And you only have 60 minutes to play on it.